For over 40 years we have been fed a massive lie about the cosmos. In space, no one can hear you scream. But at exactly 250 million light-years away, deep inside the Perseus galaxy cluster, a supermassive black hole is screaming right now. And scientists just recorded it. This defies everything we learned in school. We are taught that space is a pure, dead, silent vacuum. Yet NASA has now captured audio of singing planets, roaring stellar winds, and a black hole humming a note exactly 57 octaves below middle C. It is a literal sound wave stretching 30,000 light-years across. Astrophysicists are genuinely baffled. How is sound traveling where there is absolutely no air? To understand this impossible audio, we have to look at how sound actually works on Earth. Sound is simply a mechanical pressure wave. It needs a medium like air or water to travel through. When you speak, your vocal cords compress air molecules, which bump into each other until they hit an eardrum. In the true vacuum of deep space, those molecules are so far apart that sound waves simply cannot propagate. If a star explodes right next to you, you would hear absolute silence. But here is where things get completely strange. Space is not entirely empty. What I am about to reveal next completely changes how we map the universe, and it is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining our community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's greatest mysteries with us, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because what NASA discovered next will literally send shivers down your spine. The mystery began unraveling in 2003. Astronomers using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory were staring deep into the Perseus galaxy cluster. They noticed something bizarre in the massive cloud of superheated gas surrounding the cluster's central black hole. There were ripples. Actual, physical ripples in the gas. Dr. Andrew Fabian and his team at Cambridge University realized these were not just random formations, they were acoustic pressure waves. The black hole was essentially acting like a giant, cosmic subwoofer. But the frequency was 1,000,000 billion times deeper than the limits of human hearing. So, how did we finally listen to it? The answer lies in a groundbreaking process called sonification. Imagine looking at the physical grooves of a vinyl record. You cannot hear the music just by staring at the plastic. You need a needle to translate those bumps into sound. Scientists around the world are now building digital needles to sweep across cosmic data. NASA took those massive pressure waves from the black hole and scaled them up 58 octaves so human ears could finally hear them. The result sounds like a haunting, guttural moan from a cosmic leviathan. But this breakthrough raised an even bigger, more terrifying question. Just when you thought you understood that thick space gas could carry sound, deep space probes started picking up eerie choruses where there is no gas at all. Earth's own magnetosphere sings like a flock of robotic birds. Jupiter emits a terrifying, roaring whistle. These are not physical pressure waves, they are electromagnetic plasma waves. We capture them using radio antennas and convert them to sound. This has split the scientific community. I genuinely want to know what you think about this. Are we just forcefully imposing human senses onto cold, dead data? Or is the universe inherently musical, a literal symphony of frequencies that holds the key to understanding gravity and dark energy? Some scientists think sonification is just a clever parlor trick. Others believe these frequencies are the universal language of the cosmos, waiting to be decoded. Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. Do you think space is trying to communicate, or is it just random noise? I will be replying to the most mind-bending theories down there. By the end of this video, you will understand why this completely shifts how we see our place in the universe. This is not just about making spooky Halloween soundtracks for NASA's social media. Human brains are incredibly wired for pattern recognition through sound, often much faster and more accurately than through sight. By listening to the cosmos, scientists are discovering hidden anomalies in magnetic fields and solar winds that they completely missed when just looking at graphs. It is also opening astrophysics to blind and visually impaired scientists, who are now literally hearing the birth and death of stars. What you are witnessing changes everything. We are moving from watching the universe like a silent movie, to experiencing it in full surround sound. Fortunately, we are on the verge of a massive leap forward. When the Voyager 1 spacecraft officially left our solar system and crossed into interstellar space, it did not just take pictures, it sent back the sound of interstellar plasma vibrating. A steady, eerie hum of the absolute unknown. And future missions are being designed with this exact sonic data in mind. The European Space Agency's upcoming LISA mission, the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, is going to launch 3 spacecraft into a massive triangle millions of miles across. Its sole purpose is to detect gravitational waves. These are the literal ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by colliding black holes. LISA will not take pictures. It will act as a colossal, hypersensitive microphone, listening to the lowest bass notes of the universe. Soon, we will not just be sonifying old telescope data, we will be tuning our multi-billion-dollar instruments to listen to the ancient echoes of the Big Bang itself. The universe is not silent at all. It is waiting for us to shut up and listen. But this is not the only impossible anomaly hiding in the dark. If you think a screaming black hole is terrifying, wait until you hear about the dark flow, a mysterious force dragging entire galaxy clusters towards something outside our observable universe. Or the terrifying anomaly known as the Great Attractor, which is pulling our own Milky Way toward an unseen doom. We will be uncovering those exact secrets in our next videos. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the dark. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, it may look peaceful and quiet, but it is roaring with the invisible energy of a billion ancient suns. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.